Have you ever paused for a moment amid the hustle and bustle of daily life to really listen to the quiet voice of your own body? After turning 60, our bodies don't rebel with sharp pains or high fevers like they did in our younger years. Instead, they start to whisper. Those whispers might be as subtle as a slight stumble, restless sleep, or feeling short of breath after a short walk. We often shrug it off with, "Oh, that's just old age." But here's the thing. Those are actually silent SOS signals from your body. If you understand and respond to them properly, you can enjoy your golden years with peace, health, and vitality. In this video, we'll decode 5 key signs together. I'll not only help you recognize them, but also share simple, natural solutions you can do right at home to oil the machine and keep your body running stronger. Let's listen and show ourselves more love. Starting right now. Have you noticed your legs feeling heavier than before? Or standing up from a low chair suddenly feels like a little challenge? Science calls this sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. After 60, without attention, we can lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade. Muscles aren't just for lifting. They're the foundation that protects your bones and joints and keeps you balanced. When muscles weaken, everyday tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even walking briskly leave you exhausted. More seriously, muscle loss is a leading cause of dangerous falls in older adults. The good news? Muscles can rebuild if you care for them. Start with nutrition. Prioritize protein from plant sources like tofu, nuts, or healthy animal sources like fish and eggs. Don't forget a bit of vitamin D from morning sunlight to help muscles absorb nutrients better. Most importantly, move. You don't need a heavy gym routine. Just do 10 chair squats a day. Stand up slowly from a chair, then sit back down. Feel the weight in your heels and thighs. Do it gently and mindfully. That's your way of whispering back to your body, "I am still training and protecting you." Start with these small changes today, so your legs remain a solid foundation for whatever comes next. Have you ever lain in bed exhausted after a long day, but your mind races like a movie that won't stop? You wake up in the middle of the night, struggle to fall back asleep, and wake up feeling foggy? Then the senior moments creep in more often, walking into a room and forgetting why, or hearing someone's name only to blank on it seconds later. Don't panic or jump to worst-case diseases. At 60 plus, sleep cycles change. Deep sleep shortens. Poor quality sleep means your brain doesn't get time to clean house and organize memories, leading to that brain fog. First key fix: set a strict electronics curfew. Blue light from phones suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try turning devices off an hour before bed. Swap for soft instrumental music or light reading. Next, try the 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique, a natural sedative for your nervous system. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale slowly through your mouth for 8, with a whoosh sound. It calms the fight or flight response and signals your body, "Everything's safe. Time to rest." Quality sleep is your brain's most valuable daily update. Be patient and kind to yourself. We often blame faded taste or dry mouth on changing eating habits, but after 60, these are important signals from your digestive and elimination systems. Have you been needing water to swallow food lately? Or do favorite flavorful dishes now taste bland? Or even metallic? It's not just aging taste buds. Chronic dry mouth often means salivary glands aren't working well, possibly from side effects of blood pressure or heart meds. Unusual taste changes can also signal zinc deficiency or blood sugar fluctuations we overlook. Simple home fixes work wonders. Try swishing a sip of warm water or mild salt water before swallowing to stimulate saliva. Instead of piling on salt or sugar, not great for seniors, wake up your taste buds with natural herbs like lemon, ginger, or basil. Keeping your mouth moist not only makes eating more enjoyable, but protects against bacteria. Treat every meal as a chance to savor, and listen to what your tongue and mouth are telling you about your inner health. Moving to the fourth sign, something many of us know too well upon waking: stiffness in finger joints, wrists, or knees. It takes 15–30 minutes of shifting, rubbing, and stretching before you feel steady enough to get out of bed. We call it old age dry joints, but really, it's a reminder that cartilage and joint fluid are thinning, causing bones to rub and inflame. This stiffness isn't just physical. It creates a mental block against moving, leading to a vicious cycle. Less movement speeds up calcification. Instead of worrying, learn to lubricate your body right from bed. The easiest fix? Mimic warming up an engine. Before getting up, spend 3 minutes gently circling wrists and ankles and lightly bending, extending knees under the covers. Warmth is key. Wear socks or use a light blanket at night for better joint fluid flow. If it's really stiff, apply a warm towel or heating pad for natural pain relief. Think of your joints like old hinges. They thrive on gentle, consistent motion, not forceful effort. Finally, the most critical sign tied to your body's engine: changes in breathing. Ever feel winded or chest tight after just one flight of stairs or a longer chat? Many blame laziness or age, but shallow, short breaths signal shrinking lung capacity and an overworked cardiovascular system struggling for oxygen. At 60, respiratory muscles lose flexibility, so we breathe from the chest instead of the belly, making us tire faster and stay in low-level stress. Don't ignore frequent shortness of breath even during light daily activities. The fix lies in calm, diaphragmatic belly. Breathing is a healing practice you can do anywhere. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose so your belly rises, chest stays still. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, like blowing out a candle. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. It floods your blood with oxygen, steadies your heart rate, and clears your mind. Breath is the thread of life. Master it, and every step and activity becomes lighter and more energized. After exploring these 5 talking signs from your body, remember this: 60 isn't the end of health. It's the start of caring for yourself more mindfully. Don't meet these signs with fear. Welcome them as gentle reminders from your lifelong companion. After more than half a century of service, your body just asks for a little understanding and gentle daily tweaks. The biggest key here is balance. For nutrition, choose whole, natural foods and ease the load on digestion by cutting back on salt and sugar. For your mind, stay connected. Chat with family. Enjoy small hobbies like gardening or fish keeping. A peaceful mind is the strongest defense against illness. We've decoded your body's quiet messages and found practical, home-friendly solutions. I hope this helps you, or your loved ones, feel more confident and proactive about healthy living. If any of these 5 signs resonate with you, share your story in the comments. We'll support each other. Thank you for spending this precious time listening and caring for yourself. If this was helpful, please share it so it reaches others who need encouragement and guidance. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys to vibrant health. Wishing you and your family endless energy. May every day be joyful, healthy, and fully lived. See you in the next video.